Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a challenge. It's called the Flame Challenge. I was invited by Diecast Graveyard and a few other fellows. You'll see their names at the end of the video. Today this is the American Muscle Car. It's a Matchbox. It's a Firebird. So we're going to take this sucker apart. I've already got it drilled out. And what I want to do is try and use a stencil to make some flames on it. And we're going to change the wheels, so let's pop it apart. These wheels aren't too bad, but we're going to try a couple of different pair on here and see which ones we like better. These should be kind of easy to remove. They're on a plastic base, so they should just pop right out. This plastic is kind of stiff. It's not soft like some of the older Hot Wheels bases. So I consider that a success. I didn't jab myself with the pick. Here's the base. We're probably going to paint this. Here's the body. We'll drill these posts out and tap them and put some screws in. Dip it in a citrus strip. Here I'm using my small bit. I can never remember the size of it. I got this from Lowe's and I just never can remember what size it is. I think it's a 1/64th, but I'm not 100% sure. It might be the one just up from that. And these posts are kind of short, so we're probably going to have to use some short screws. I have to probably cut some off for it. Keep your bit clean. That die-cast is bad about gumming up your bit. I'm measuring see how deep I am. I want to go through and drill into my hand. I've done that a time or two and it don't feel good. Okay, we got the post drilled out now. And we're going to dip that in the citrus strip. And we're going to take all that pretty orange paint off of there and the Firebird off the hood. Windshield is whatever the windshield is. The front of it is the grill. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. Be a perfect car for headlights, you know, the operating kind. You just put lights inside, but we're not going to do that in this video. And the interior is an interior. We're not going to do anything with that either. Let's get to it. Strip this car.
Okay, we're back from the stripper. I gave it a good wire wheeling and polishing, and I think it looks pretty good. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some masking and maybe carve some flames in with the old X-Acto knife and see what we can come up with. And like put this tape across it and cut out for flames in the front, paint it, let it dry, maybe cut out another layer of flames, paint over that, let it dry, and remove the whole thing, see how it looks. I think it'll look pretty good. Let me see what I can come up with. We'll be right back. Couldn't make the stencil, so I bought some stencils. These are made by a sign company. Kind of expensive for a little sheet of these, like $5. What I want to do is use the negative to make waves on the car. Forgive me for the birds.
Okay, I decided to do a voiceover since my birds wouldn't be quiet. Here you see I've got the mask on there finally. The stencil taped down, and we're going to lay a coat of paint over this and see how it looks. We're going to go with a red Spectra flame, I think, and then we're going to cover the car again with a different color, kind of making it, it's not really a ghost flame, but it'll look cool anyway. Let's do that. Okay, here you see the red flames on the hood of the car. They go around the side, and I think they look awesome to me anyway. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to lay the other color down over the top of this, these colors, and see how it turns out. Okay, so I painted gold over the red, and it didn't affect the red at all. I think it turned out awesome. Made the flames darker. So put this bad boy back together and see what we got. Okay, here's the body with the Spectra flame paint. We have our flames on the front end, painted red and gold. Interior, that's the base. Painted it black. We're going to go with these wheels right here. Kind of an homage to the original orange color of the car there. Orange hubs, and we're going to have a little problem here getting it into the slot. All you have to do is spread them apart and it snap right in. I'd like to thank Paul over at Diecast Radar for inviting me to this build off. There's a list of other builders participating in this event, so make sure you watch until the end of the video, and make sure you check out all those guys' videos and click that like button so they know you were there. The tabs on the base were spread too far apart so they wouldn't hold the wheels in, so I'm going to have to depend on the interior to hold the wheels in. As you can see here, when I put the car together, the wheels don't want to stay in place. So we're going to have to fiddle part around with it until we get those wheels to be held in by the interior. Okay, look at them wheels. They look sharp. Those are Goodyear wheels. I'll throw some screws in there, put this thing all together, and see what we got. Now don't forget to check out the other guys who are competing in this build-off. There'll be a list of them scrolling up at the end of the video. Using black screws because it's a black base. I think it just brings it all together when you do that. We're going to color in some details, color in the taillights, pretty much color in the taillights. Nice wheels. There you have it. Matchbox, Firebird, Spectra flame, and flames on the hood. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, leave me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell so you'll get future notifications when I post videos. I think about 2% of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed, so go ahead and subscribe. It really helps my channel out and helps me grow and so I can bring you better content in the future. Colored taillights with some Sharpie marker. It's gonna look great. Okay, there you have it. She rolls awesome. Just like you guys, I hope you have an awesome day.